Are you getting enough sleep? 7 to 9 hours is the recommended. Did you know between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. melatonin is at its highest? So if you're not sleeping during these hours, your body's missing out on the benefits that melatonin provides. If you're struggling with sleep, here's a few tips. You can try having an Epsom salt bath before you go to bed, taking magnesium powder, and also omega-3 for your brain health. Also, if you're feeling that you can't get on top of why you can't sleep, you can look at your gut health. It could be that your gut health is compromised. By healing the gut lining, you can improve mind and body balance. If you're interested in learning more, comment reset. I can send you some info.